Hello everyone, again we welcome you on our YouTube channel Finbuzz Learning. Today we will know about home loans and what are its advantages and disadvantages. Friends, in today's world, every person on every family needs a house. But not everyone has enough money to build or purchase a house, due to which there are obstacles in the way of fulfilling their dream. But their dreams are giving wins by banks and other financial institutions. In these institutions, an application is made for a home loan and the loan is disbursed after following certain rules and regulations of that institutions. Banks or financial institutions provide home loans to the person for a certain time at a certain interest, which must be returned with interest within the stipulated time. This loan is given by banks in the ratio of 80 to 20%, which means only 80% of the amount required to build or buy a house is given by the bank and 20% has to be invested by oneself. Now, you must have understood what a home loan is. Let us know how many types of home loans are there. Friends, there are many types of home loans in India. Let's discuss it one by one. So the first type is loan to buy land. You for that too. Some banks or other financial institutions also provides loans for the purchase of land, which is up to 80 to 85%. With its help, a person can buy land and build his own house whenever his budget allows. The next type is loan for home purchase. Loan for home purchase is the most common. Different banks provide loans at different interest rates ranging from 6.50% to 12% to attract customer, which is for a long time. The next type is loan for home extension. Very few would know that financial institutions provide loan for home extension as well. But institutions like HDFC Bank and Bank of Baroda also provide loan-like facilities to the customer for expansion of the house. The next type is loan for home repairs. After the house is built, when it becomes old, after some time, then we need to get some new things done in it, due to which the house looks beautiful. This includes interior and exterior repairs, painting and electric work. For this, banks like Union Bank of India provide special loan facilities. The next one is home construction loan. If you have land and you fulfill certain conditions of the bank or other financial institutions, then you can easily get this loan for 25 to 30 years. Like SBI, UCO Bank 6.50% and Canara Bank are at the forefront for providing this loan. Banks and other financial institutions provide home loans in India. In India, there are many banks from public sector to private which provide home loans to its customers. Also, some small microfinance institutions and other finance institutions provide this loan to customers to fulfill their dream of owning a home. Let's know about some major banks which provides home loan in India. It provides many types of home loans. SBI charges 6.65% for 75 lakh home with tenure of 20 years. Punjab National Bank also provides home loans. PNB provides home loans to its customer at a very affordable rate of interest. Also, if you have a salaried person with 20,000 monthly, you can get a loan up to 60 times of your salary. Next is ICICI Bank Home Loan, which also covers the major part of providing the home loan. This is a private bank which provides home loans. If you take a home loan up to 30 lakh from this bank, you will get a loan of up to 90%. Its rate of interest is 8.60%. Next one is LIC Housing Finance Limited, which is one of the biggest non-banking financial company, NBFC, in India, which provides home loans. We all know that this insurance company is fully owned by the government of India. It provides home loans to its customer at a very cheap rate, and if you are an LIC employee, you will get more benefits at less rates. Along with above banks, some more insurance companies and banks are Axis Banks 10.95%, Canara Bank 8.55%, UCO Bank, Canara Bank of India, Central Bank of India 8.20%, Bank of Baroda 6.50%, Bank of Maharashtra 8.35%, Union Bank of India 8.25%, Bajaj Finserv Limited 8.30%, Aditya Birla Home Loan 9%, IDFC First Bank 8.75%, IDBI 6.90%, etc. Let's discuss the advantages of home loans. So by taking home loan, you would be the owner of own house. The purpose of whatever we earn is to fulfill the wishes of our family. One of the main wishes of which is to have our own house. Home loan also gives low interest rate. Banks home loan also gives low interest rate. Banks also provide loans to their customers at low interest rates so that seeing them, other people who are not the customers of that bank also become their customers. In order to attract customers, there is competition among banks to offer home loans at low interest rates. It also provides flexible tenure. Usually, the payback period that banks allow for a home is at least 20 years, which is also a long time. Tax exemption on principal is also the major advantage of the home loans. According to Kotak Mahindra Bank, up to rupees 1.5 lakh as principal repayment on your home loan will be allowed as a tax deduction under US 80C and 80CCE of the IT Act of 1961. If it's a first home, in case of second home or under construction properties, tax benefits on principal repayments will not be applicable. Now, let's discuss the disadvantage of the home loan. Now, let's discuss the disadvantages of home loans. One of the biggest disadvantages is home loan comes with a long-term EMI. It is not possible for everyone to pay EMI for a long time. This also puts an additional financial burden on the customers, and legal action is also taken by the bank for not repaying the loan. The next disadvantage is fixed limit. According to mymoneymantra.com, some banks have a cap on the amount of top-up loan, beyond which you will not be eligible for credit. Hence, limited home loan eligibility can be a major issue for some. So this is all about the today's topic. Hope our video helped you to understand more about the home loans. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Finbuzz Learning.